A man splits a dry tree trunk with an axe. He hollows out the center of the wood, then lights a fire inside to create a natural grill. He goes to a clear river, catches fish with his bare hands. After succeeding, he cleans the fish directly in the river flow. Back at the fireplace, he sprinkles some salt and spices on the fish to make it more delicious when grilled. He places the fish on a hollowed out piece of wood filled with coals. Slowly, the fish begins to cook with an appetizing aroma. While waiting for the fish to cook, he boils river water for a warm drink.